Oh, really nice exercise. I should do this every day.
どうもヒクソンです。どうもヒクソンです。
MJ です。
Howdy Cebu.
Howdy Cebu.
Yeah, we prepare some snacks. Yummy snacks.
Yes,
Mm.
they're all yummy.
Do you know?
Especially this.
Oh yeah, especially this one. You like this one?
I like this one
Jaggery.
because I like salty
Mm-hmm.
snacks.
And today, before that, a lot of YouTubers are doing this one. But also, let me try this one.
Yes.
Yeah, we call it shake snacks.
Shake, shake, shake.
Yeah, this experiment, when you shake Koarano-march,
Okay.
one combined round snacks will be there.
Oh.
If we shake very long time,
Shake it, shake it.
yes. Let me open it before that. Koala-no-march in original, of course, there is like this.
Ah, okay, so it's not chocolate coated.
No,
Okay,
inside
not
of
that.
it chocolate.
Inside.
Yes,
I get
yes.
it.
But once we shake it very long time, it's really combined each other. There are maybe around 20 to 25 snacks, and then if we shake it, and inside of it, it's like Koala-no-march in itself is also yummy. And then this is pretty common, pretty famous in Japan, Koala-no-march. And also we can purchase it everywhere in Cebu. I also find it in 7-Eleven.
Oh, 7-Eleven. That's
and-
very convenient.
Right. And other Japanese painomi, you can purchase it from Machiyama in Cebu. It's like Japanese grocery store.
Right.
I do love it.
Yes, exactly.
Yes. Okay. Let me introduce Machiyama today. Machiyama is located in. Anyway, we are not talking about Machiyama. We are not talking about 7-Eleven and Koarano-march. Anyway, with this, I'm thinking whether snacks from the Philippines can be also applicable for that experiment.
Okay, so what snacks do you have?
And I purchased also Hello Panda and also pillows.
Oh, pillows.
Everybody likes that one, like pillows. I do love pillows in ube taste. And also jaggery. That's also common in Japan, I believe. But I'm not sure. And also painomi.
Okay, so I want to know, how many
Well.
times are you going to shake this?
Actually, there's not specific time.
Oh,
So I will try many times.
like
Let's
how
say
long?
2 hours, 3 hours. I want
Oh.
this one for 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
Boy, that's really a good exercise.
Yeah.
I need that.
Okay, you need to do that. But after that, she's going to go away for dinner. I'm alone. And after that, let us check whether this is really gonna be round or not. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it.
Right now?
No, I will do it.
Why are you like that?
Welcome back. She came back from her dinner. I was alone. I was shaking, as you know. But before that, for Koarano-march and Panda, it's originally like this. Do you remember? Okay, I'll put it here. Okay, so let me first open Jagabi. Yeah, and this one is originally stick. Let's check it.
I am excited to see that. Let me see.
This change to no. No,
Nothing happened.
nothing happened. Just original. Alright, next. Pillows. Pillows. Originally that's square, right?
Like a pillow.
Yeah.
And you shook it.
Yeah, of course. It's changed to
What did you
it's shrink. That was like square. But it's really shrinked. See, it's like a man. It's too small.
Right.
Heroes.
Yes, I
In
know.
itself, this one, and I shook it,
Right.
but not combine each other. Not really.
Still, it's amazing, but you didn't get it yet.
Yeah, this is not my satisfied result. Okay, so let me see.
I am enjoying it.
Painomi.
I am enjoying it. I am enjoying it. I am enjoying it.
Originally, that's this kind of
What is that?
body. This kind of
Figure?
figure, yeah, this kind of shape. Change to it's totally mess. It's really combined.
Combined with the plastic wrap. With the plastic container. Plastic container.
Okay, finally, let's take a look at two of them. But I'm a little bit confident with two of them.
Really?
Yeah.
Ding 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 ding. Wow. Very round. It looks like.
No, you shouldn't say that.
Why is he on me? Are you still confident?
Yeah, I'm totally confident with it. Let me open it. Koarano-march, of course. Original shape. And
You show it. What is it like? Let me see. Oh,
look at that one.
looks like
This one.
whale's egg.
Yeah. And then maybe 20 to 25 of these snacks changed to this one.
Congratulations.
Yay! Isn't it amazing?
It is very amazing. Okay.
My effort. 20 to
Look at
20.
that.
Shut up. 20 to 25. This one combined into three. And it's really round. Like, see? It's really round. And it's really hard.
Are you sure it's round? It's not round.
It's really round. Amazing. Wow. I don't want to eat it because because it's really for me for me it's really miracle. Gosh, like as if I
I congratulate you.
just finished marathon. My gosh. Wow.
Why didn't you take a picture of the two round ones?
They are Hello Panda, which is originally like this. And lastly,
Yeah, right.
yeah, amazing. This one times 10 equal this one. Amazing. The purpose of this one is actually whether Filipino snacks can be done with the same thing as Koarano-march, but the result is not satisfied actually.
Yes. So anyway, they can also try it, right? And they can testify.
But rather they can eat it. Simply they can eat it. This is just my curiosity. Yeah. So overall, it's better to eat. It's better to eat each one by one. Do not shake.
Right.
Anything?
Oh,
See you, Cebu.
See you, Cebu.
Exhausted. That was really tiring. That was. Yeah. Thank you for enjoying the video.
And if you like it, just hit the like button
And subscribe.
and
Subscribe. So on.